What's going on, family? Gus the Third is speaking with a new episode of Gus Facts. Today we're going to be talking about, Today I'm going to teach you how to have a successful month in 2021. What makes me qualified to teach you? Nothing.
Oh, hell no!
Other than the fact that I had a successful January. Can I get it with it? On a serious note, last month was a game changer, and it's only right that I give you guys the formula that I use to have a successful month. Like, I can't keep it to myself, so while it's fresh on my mind, I gotta give it to y'all. So what is a successful month? To me, it means staying focused and accomplishing goals. That's it. That's all. It's simple. Step one. Decide that you will have a successful month. You gotta do everything in confidence, so tell yourself what you're gonna do. Tell yourself what you're gonna do and do it. Nah, seriously, don't word to me. Tell yourself what you're gonna do and do it, huh? I don't hear what you're gonna tell yourself, huh? Tell yourself what you're gonna do and do it. Step two. A successful month is all about staying focused and reaching your goals. So what are your goals for the month? Write them down, and then I want you to pick your top 3 that you will absolutely accomplish no matter what, all right? I want you to commit to these top 3 goals, minimum. Top 3 goals you're gonna accomplish to have a successful month. 2021 and moving forward is all about speaking in confidence. Your power is to say and to do, okay? Say what you're gonna do and then do it. A lot of times we don't get things done is because we like, I might do it. I don't know if I am gonna do it. I don't know, I wish I could do it. Nah, say what you're gonna do and then do it, okay? Step 3. Damn, my knuckles ashy. Get a calendar. I'm telling you, this was a major key in my success. It allowed me to stay focused. It allowed me to see how many days I had left before a deadline came. And also just, know how sometimes you just be like, oh damn, I didn't even know it was Sunday. If you use a calendar, you know what day it is, all right? Build that habit of using a calendar. It will help you be aware of the time you have left before a goal, a deadline, anything. It's a great tool, a great habit to build. Step 4. Assign deadlines to your goals with confidence. Tell yourself when you're going to accomplish these goals and then put it on your calendar. Now let me tell you how I had fun with it. I played the game. I created a game called Beat the Deadline. So the goal was to beat the deadline. All right, so I set a nice, comfortable deadline for myself, a deadline that was realistic to me and my standards, and I aimed to beat it. So it was either I was going to accomplish it on time or I was going to accomplish it before the time even came. Either way, I'm still winning. Now, in order to have successful months, you have to have successful weeks. And in order to do that, you have to have successful days. Step 5. Every week, you must have a task list to operate on. Task list kept me focused, and it's fun crossing things off, I'm telling you. So every Sunday, I made a task list for the week, according to my goals and what came first. If you commit to all of these good habits, think about the type of person you'll become. You'll be well organized. You'll be focused. You'll be disciplined. You'll be goal-oriented. These are the qualities of a successful person, and you can practice them now. Have a successful month, guys. I think we're all capable of doing it. We just gotta choose to. We have the power to say and do. So let us say that we're gonna have a successful month and do that. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please subscribe, like, and share to your friends and family. Let's all help each other be successful, okay? We are not alone. We have each other. Let's all work together to help each other reach our dreams. Let's do it! Peace!